With every Ventbuster rental, you should have 2 black Nanook cases, one containing your equipment and one containing your auxiliary battery, and a tripod with a tripod mount already installed. Begin by opening the Ventbuster equipment case. Ensure you have a Ventbuster field guide and a quick start checklist. The quick start checklist will be your guide throughout the Ventbuster inspection, setup, and testing. Inspect the solar panel for any cracks or dents and that it is free from any visible damage. Ensure that the solar panel wires are in good condition. Ensure you have a grounding cable kit with 2 grounding wires. Locate the red and blue connection cables. Inspect to ensure good working condition with no frays or kinks. Take a close look at the pins at the end of each cable to ensure they are not broken and are free from dirt. Pick up the Ventbuster and inspect the handles. You'll have 2 rupture discs, a 500 psi and a 300 psi disc inside the kit. One will be attached to the Ventbuster and the other will be in the top right slot. You should also ensure you have a comms unit grounding stake included. Next, pick up your tablet and turn it on to ensure it is charged and ready to begin testing. You can check the charge by swiping down on the touchscreen once the tablet is turned on. A full battery symbol means it is fully charged. Turn off the tablet. Pick up the comms unit and turn it on by using the top left button. Ensure there are full bars on the battery icon, which you will see in the right side of the comms unit screen. The comms unit will go through an initialization sequence once powered up. Allow the unit to complete that and power down and put it back into the case. Next, open the battery case. Check that the cords and pins are intact and inspect that they are in good condition. Then, check your auxiliary battery voltage. Toggle the power switch to the on position and press and hold the push button. Your battery should read at least 12.7 volts. Switch the battery back off once you have checked.